Good afternoon, my MyBlindCo users. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to send orders electronically to Alta with the push of a button. I'm in a demo company here. There's a couple things that we need to do on the setup side to enable this process. The big one is reach out to us and let us know you guys are ready to send orders to Alta electronically. We need to notify Alta your account number. They put you on a list and authorize access to Direct Connect. So please let us know, and it takes a couple days before they give us the green light that you guys can send. Okay, so be aware of that. And then the second part of the setup is on the portal here. We have to go to the manufacturer tab, Alta, and plug in some information. So the first one is, and most important, your account number. And then we toggle the enable sending the purchase order to Direct Connect through this toggle button here. Just toggles on. The other thing on this page that's nice to fill in while you're here is the email address to customer service. So this is in the event that you want to email a purchase order PDF to customer service. If you need to do that, for example, there's a few products that we don't have enabled yet, but you can still email a purchase order to customer service. You'll want to put customer service email right here. So I believe Alta is customer service at Custom Brands Group. So, all right, once you get this information entered, you just hit update. All right, so I happen to have an order here that I'm going to show you how we're going to send to Alta. I'm going to go to Actions, View. As long as the order status has a status of deposit received, it can't say awaiting deposit. You'll be able to click that Order View toggle button, and this Generate PO button will pop up. If, for example, this status was awaiting deposit, then you wouldn't get Generate PO. It's just a little safeguard that we put in there to ensure that you're only generating a PO when the order's ready to go, and the big indicator is a deposit. And the reason why we say order review, we want to also prompt you to double check everything, make sure it is indeed ready to be ordered by the manufacturer. So once you're ready, just click Generate PO. MyBlindCo will generate a PO per manufacturer within your order. And we've also broken it out to two purchase orders based on which products have been enabled with what we call EDI, but that's basically means electronically send orders to Alta. So on that order, I had a couple dual shades and a couple roller shades. We're still working on the roller shades, so that's why I broke it out into two purchase orders. So next, you just hit Create PO. It's going to generate a PO. And then we're going to swing back to the purchase order tab. You'll see the PO I just created is at the top of the list. It says status PO created. And then you'll just go to Actions, Send Purchase Order. I'm not going to physically send it. We don't want to send this to Alta, but basically at that point, status will become PO sent. Then it takes a matter of 10 minutes or so, depending on the queue. That order will be received in Direct Connect. Cool thing is we actually get status back right into MyBlindCo. So I happen to have another company open. I want to show you what it looks like here. This is what you will get back. You'll get the actual confirmation number, aka order number, estimated ship date, and the cost. Even once it ships, number of boxes, tracking information comes back, and it'll show up per line. So you'll actually get all that information back into MyBlindCo under the purchase order tab. So if you click on this little exclamation point here, you get a little bit more status listed. So like I say, if you want to drill down on that status, just click this exclamation point and it will populate your purchase order here with all this great information. All right. And the other thing I wanted to show you is for the non-enabled electronics, so the ones that we're still working on, which is roller shades, panel tracks. That second, you go back to the order view, generate PO. When you generate this next PO, it will create a purchase order, just like the Alta EDI enabled one. But this purchase order, you'll go to Actions and you'll send a PDF. So this will send a purchase order right to customer service. And then you can also set up customized text here, or just write text on the fly, please place this order. Once you have a valid email address here, then you'll be able to hit done and send. All right, guys, that is it. So anybody interested in taking advantage of this great function, please let us know, reach out to us. We'll need your account number to pass to Alta to get the green light to send orders electronically. Thank you all very much. Let us know if you have any questions.